Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX not opening on ShareX in 2026. So if the app is not launching, crashing on startup, or simply doing nothing when you click it, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, try restarting your computer. Sometimes background processes get stuck and prevent ShareX from opening properly. Next, check Task Manager and see if ShareX is already running in the background. If it is, end the task and try opening it again. Now run ShareX as administrator. Right-click the app and choose Run as Administrator because missing permissions can block it from launching. Next, check if your antivirus or Windows Defender is blocking the application. Temporarily disable it and test again. Now update ShareX to the latest version. An outdated version can sometimes crash or fail to open on newer Windows updates. Next, reinstall the Visual C++ redistributable packages because missing system components can prevent the app from starting. Now try reinstalling ShareX completely. First uninstall it, then download the latest version from the official source and install again. Next, check for Windows updates. Sometimes system updates fix compatibility issues that stop apps from opening. Now try opening ShareX in compatibility mode if you are on an older system or facing version conflicts. Finally, restart your PC once more and launch ShareX again to confirm everything is working. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX not opening issue. Now your app should launch smoothly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.